everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that bell and subscribe so that you can be notified of all new videos that are coming up. So today's video, which is actually part 2 to cleaning the oven, this is cleaning the oven racks. And I'm going to show you how I clean my oven racks with the Dawn dish detergent and these dryer sheets. So what I did was took these cheap dryer sheets that I bought from the dollar store and I lined them all over the bottom of the tub. Now the reason that I use the dryer sheets is because the anti-static agents in the dryer sheet weaken the bond between the food and the rack. So while the fabric softening agents soften the baked on foods. So I figured it made sense to me. Let me go ahead and give it a try. It's something that can help me get these racks a little cleaner without me having to do too much of a scrubbing. So then I went ahead and I took my oven racks. As you can see, this is the before, and I placed them on the bottom of the tub on top of the dryer sheets. I then filled the tub up with enough water just to cover the oven racks. And then I took my Dawn detergent and I squirted it liberally all through the tub with enough to make sure that the Dawn dish detergent degreaser worked. And I let it sit for 24 hours overnight, and this is how it looked when I came back to it. As you can see, the degreaser was working and the dryer sheets was working by pulling some of the dirt and grease. So I went ahead and I got my rubber gloves on because you're going to need them to protect your hand, and my SOS scouring pad, and I got the scrubbing. And if you look closely, it really didn't take a lot. It came off pretty easy. I didn't scrub a lot, which I was surprised. As you can see, it's coming right off. I might have had some spots that might have been, a little bit more stubborn, but for the most part, it was coming right off. So this took me maybe between 5 and 10 minutes to clean because I wasn't moving too fast. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up and get this cleaned. So this is how the first one looked. It didn't even take me long, and it wasn't a lot of scrubbing. But I'm going to go ahead and do the second one off camera for the sake of the video, so that way it doesn't take too long. Okay, so I've gone ahead and cleaned both of the oven racks. I'm very pleased at how they came out. I hope that you guys give this a try. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.